Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar security cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor by CVision. This budget-friendly option is priced at just $39.99, making it a great choice for those looking to secure their home without breaking the bank. Key features include a 3MP 2K HD resolution for crisp video quality and a 360-degree pan and tilt control, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your property. The built-in solar panel and 9,000 mAh battery provide continuous power, while its IP66 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions. The AI-enhanced PIR motion detection is particularly impressive, as it can distinguish between humans, pets, vehicles, and packages, reducing false alarms. The design is compact yet durable, with easy installation thanks to the wireless setup. Performance-wise, the spotlight and infrared sensors deliver clear night vision, while the two-way audio allows you to communicate with visitors or deter intruders. However, the 3MP resolution is slightly lower than other models in this roundup, and the field of view is limited to 355 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical. Despite these minor drawbacks, this camera is ideal for those on a budget who need basic security features. Pros: affordable, reliable solar power, AI motion detection. Cons: lower resolution, limited field of view. At number 4, we have the SEMA Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. Priced at $43.99, this camera strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. Its standout feature is the 2K HD resolution, combined with color night vision powered by a manually activated spotlight, ensuring sharp and vibrant footage even in low-light conditions. The 360-degree viewing angle, with 355 degrees horizontal and 100 degrees vertical rotation, provides excellent coverage, while the IP65 waterproof rating makes it suitable for all weather conditions. The design is sleek and compact, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. Performance-wise, the PIR motion detection reduces false alarms by focusing on human-like movements, while the two-way audio allows seamless communication with visitors or family members. However, the reliance on manual activation for color night vision might be inconvenient for some users. Additionally, while it includes 2 storage options, SD card and cloud, lack of a free cloud storage trial may disappoint some. Overall, this camera is ideal for users seeking reliable, mid-range security features without compromising on quality. Pros: affordable, wide coverage, excellent night vision. Cons: manual spotlight activation, no free cloud storage trial. Taking the 3rd spot is the Aosu Solar Camera Security Outdoor, priced at $69.99. This camera is perfect for those who want advanced features and premium build quality. The fixed solar panel provides continuous power, while its 360 degrees panoramic PTZ capabilities allow you to monitor every corner of your property. The 2K HD resolution ensures clear and detailed footage, and its automatic human tracking feature takes surveillance to the next level by following detected motion. The design is durable and weatherproof, with an IP65 rating, making it suitable for outdoor use in harsh conditions. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its wireless, app-guided setup process. The performance of this camera is exceptional, with smart alerts and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant enhancing the user experience. The only downside is its higher price tag and limited night vision range of 10 meters, which might not meet the needs of users with larger properties. Nevertheless, this camera is ideal for tech-savvy users who want a robust security system with smart integrations. Pros: advanced tracking features, smart assistant compatibility, durable build. Cons: expensive, limited night vision range. Coming in at number 2 is the SEMA 2K Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor, priced at $79.98 for a 2-pack. This option is perfect for users who need coverage from multiple areas without sacrificing quality. With 2K HD resolution and 360-degree panoramic viewing angles, these cameras ensure detailed and comprehensive monitoring. The removable solar panel and rechargeable battery provide non-stop power, while the enhanced PIR motion sensor minimizes false alarms. Design-wise, these cameras are compact with flexible installation options, allowing wall or ceiling mounting. The performance is stellar, with the spotlight and infrared LED array delivering exceptional night vision up to 98 feet. The two-way audio feature adds a layer of convenience, enabling real-time communication. However, the cameras only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which might limit connectivity for some users. Additionally, while the waterproof design is durable, the lack of included SD cards for storage is a minor drawback. These cameras are ideal for homeowners seeking reliable, multi-camera coverage with high-resolution performance. Pros: dual cameras for wider coverage. Excellent night vision, flexible installation. Cons: no SD cards included. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tove Door Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor, priced at $79.99 for a 2-pack. These cameras are the ultimate choice for premium security coverage. Offering a 360-degree panoramic view with 336-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical rotation, they ensure no blind spots in monitoring. The 2K HD resolution and advanced color night vision, powered by infrared sensors and white lights, deliver unparalleled clarity even in complete darkness. The removable solar panel and rechargeable battery provide continuous power, while the advanced PIR motion detection intelligently distinguishes between humans, pets, vehicles, and packages. The design is robust, with an IP65 waterproof rating ensuring reliability in harsh weather. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the wireless design and enhanced Wi-Fi antenna for stable connectivity. Performance-wise, the two-way audio and real-time alerts make communication and deterrence seamless. Additionally, the cameras offer flexible storage options, including encrypted cloud storage and SD card support. With a free 7-day rolling cloud storage trial included, this camera set provides exceptional value for money and is perfect for users who demand top-tier security features. Pros: superior night vision, advanced motion detection, free cloud storage trial. Cons: slightly heavier design, 5G Wi-Fi not supported. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.